Hi all of you, now we are going to discuss the concept profit and loss. In profit and loss, we are having the terminology like cost price, selling price, profit, loss, market price. Here cost price is nothing but the amount at which we purchased the article or good. For what price we purchased, and selling price, at what price we sell. And profit, suppose if you sell the object more than what you purchased. For example, I bought an article for 100 rupees but I sold it for 110 rupees. In this activity I am getting 10 rupees profit. Why? Because I am selling more than the cost price. That's why profit. Then profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Suppose the same article if we sell for 90 rupees but we spent 100 rupees on that, but we are selling for 90, then definitely we will get loss. Then loss equal to cost price minus selling price. When we will get loss? If the selling price is less than cost price, then only loss. Then marked price is nothing but the price marked on the article. Marked on the article. Price marked on the article. Or the other name for this is list price, or you can also call this as catalog price. Catalog price. This marked price you may observe in shopping malls. For example, if you went to purchase a shirt, on the shirt they keep one tag. Yes, cost is 500 rupees. On the tag they mention, and with the discount 20%. That is nothing but market price. Now we'll see some formulas, how to calculate profit, how to calculate loss or profit percentage or loss. Next, here profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100, and loss percentage equal to loss by cost price into 100. Here we calculate profit percentage or loss percentage over cost price only. Okay. Otherwise, this formula you can also convert like this. Profit, when you get selling price minus cost price. If the selling price is more than cost price, then profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. And here loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price by cost price into 100. Okay. Now we'll write the relation between cost price and selling price. Here also we are having some relation. Now we'll write one more relation. Here selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. From this only we will get this one. Selling price equal to, when we have to use this formula, suppose sometime they will ask what is the selling price when the cost price and profit percentage is given. The same thing they may ask selling price, sometime they will give the loss percentage. Whenever the loss percentage is given, subtract by 100. Or sometimes if you want to find cost price, just transpose this part. Then cost price equal to what? Selling price into reciprocal of this, 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. Suppose from this, suppose loss is given. If you want to find, suppose selling price and loss is given, then cost price, how to find? Selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. These are the formulas we are going to discuss with some examples. Now see the first problem. Here they given an article costing 400 rupees, an article costing 400 rupees is sold at 20% profit. 20% profit. Find the selling price. Find selling price. Next, second problem. An article costing 500 rupees is sold at 10% loss. Find selling price. Third one, a shopkeeper sells articles at 10% at 13% profit. At 13% profit, then find the cost price. Find cost price if he sold an article at rupees 14,916. See the first problem here. An article costing means what price is given, amma? Cost price 400 rupees. Next, is sold at 20% profit. Profit percentage is given 20%. And find SP. How to do this one? What is the relation between profit percentage, selling price and cost price? Which formula we have to take? Selling price equal to, whenever cost price is given and profit percentage is given, cost price into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. This is the formula we have to use. 400 into 100 plus 20, 120 by 100. 2 zeros, then what is the selling price? 480 rupees. Or in another way, how to do? See here, he sold at 20% profit. That means selling price equal to cost price plus 20% of cost price. Okay, profit means 20% in cost price only. Then cost price they given 400 plus 20% means 20 by 100 into what is the cost price? 400. Then it is 480 rupees. Like this also you can do. Suppose directly without formulas, if you want to do, how to do? 20%. What is the meaning? For every 100 rupees, 20 rupees profit he is getting. That is the meaning of 20%. In 400, how many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. 4 into 100. That means here also it becomes 4 times. 4 into 20, 80 rupees profit. Then 80 rupees profit means what the selling price? 400 plus 80, 480. Now see the second problem. An article costing 500 rupees is sold at 10% loss. Here previous one is profit, here loss is given. Then they are asking selling price. Selling price equal to cost price into, instead of 100 plus, you have to take 100 minus loss percentage by 100. Then 500 into 100 minus 10, 90 by 100. Then how much it is? 450 rupees. Otherwise like this also you can do. But here you have to take minus. Okay. Now coming to third one. A shopkeeper sells articles at 13% profit. Here profit percentage is given. Find the cost price. Here we have to find cost price If he sold an article for this, means selling price is given here. Selling price is given 14,916 rupees and profit percentage is given 13%. Then they are asking cost price. Okay, just observe this formula, conversion of this formula only. CP equal to SP into reciprocal of this, means 100 by 100 plus profit. If loss is given, 100 minus loss. Then selling price equal to cost price equal to selling price. Selling price here they given 14,916 into 100 by 100 plus 13, 113. Cancel here. If you cancel 113 here one time, here one time, 3 times and 2 times, then total here you got 13,200 rupees. What is this? Cost price. What they are asking? Cost price only. Then what is the answer? 13,200 rupees. Okay, these are the some basic problems. We'll see some more problems in the next session. Thank you.